Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can add frame to your profile picture in Facebook. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump into video. First, you need to open Facebook in your smartphone. Tap on it. Then you can see there is a profile icon in top left corner. Tap on it. It will redirect you to your Facebook profile page. Now you need to do is tap on your profile picture. It will pop up the small menu. You need to choose the second option. It is called choose profile picture. Tap on it. Okay, it will open your gallery for choose the image for upload your profile picture. I will use the same image for this purpose. Then tap on your image. Okay, now you can see there are two options here, make temporary and add frame. Make temporary mean you can add this image for temporary period. That means if your uh, relatives has funeral, so you need to update your profile picture according to that. Then after a week or some time period, you can change another image for as your profile picture. So I will not show that in this tutorial because the tutorial is how to add frame. So you need to choose the second option, add frame. Okay, it will take some time to load frames. Alright, you can see the frames are loaded completely. There are a bunch of options here. You can scroll down for more frames, and also you can search for frames if you know the name of that frame. You can choose whatever you like for your profile picture. I like the second one, the bridging piece one. Then tap on it. Now you can see that frame is added to your profile picture, and you can type something about your profile picture. And also there is option called share your update to newsfeed. That means if you update this image with your new frame, your friends can see the changes you have done in their newsfeed. If you don't need to do that, then untick that. So then after you have to tap on save. It will take small time to upload the new image. Okay, now you can see the image is completely uploaded. You can uh, change, you can choose any image for this, and I hope you gain some knowledge from this. Thank you very much.